What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this Unbox Monday, we're taking a look at AMT's 1972 step side, or flare side, or in this case C10. So let's go to the box, open up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alrighty, so first things first is going to be your nice expanded decal sheet. This is, of course, your Coca-Cola version. So this is Coca-Cola licensing that AMT has. So you do have a lot of Coca-Cola sponsors here and stuff. You do have black and like a wood tone Chevrolet for your tailgate. You got just more Coca-Cola. You got some indicator lights. You do have dash decals, which is a good plus. Multiple license plates, and of course 2 Coca-Cola license plates. And in this kit you are getting a vending machine, so this is your vending machine decal sheet right there. Okay, clear parts, nothing really too much to speak about. You do have your headlights inside of here, and then of course your front and rear windshield and back glass in one piece. And then of course you do have your Coca-Cola vending machine displayed there as well. Chrome tree, very nice, very shiny chrome. So you can strip it if you don't want this chrome, or dull it down a little bit. You do have your valve covers, a couple of different mirrors. There's your optional mirrors right there. A couple of different wheels. These are your spoked wheels. Nice black wash will definitely bring those out. And these are your stock wheels. Rear bumper, custom grille. Looks like indicator lights, and then you got some blinkers there. Here's your Chevrolet emblem for your grille. So your front grille, front bumper, and headlights are molded in one piece. The headlights is a kind of let down, but hopefully those little clear parts, actually those clear parts are actually for the custom grille. So if you want to, you can just drill out these headlights, and then you can use the clear parts if you're not using the custom grille. Then mine had a missing steering wheel, but you were having a steering wheel right there in your chrome tree as well. Alright, so the goodies. This is your add-on for your Coca-Cola vending machine. So very cool. Just a plain box. Pretty basic, but yeah, it looks really nice, and it's a nice display next to it. Alright, next tree has one of your radiator hoses, your tailgate, upside down, which already has a wood tone texture in there. So that's perfect for your wood tone decal, but if you want to use a black decal, that might be an issue. Your bedside of your tailgate, and then it looks like part of your bed, I'm assuming. And then your hood. Very nice detail. Okay, next piece is gonna be your bed sides and your custom front bumper for your custom grille. And then your bed sides are molded separate, which is super cool. Easy for the guys who have been doing models for years, but if you're a new timer, this might be an issue. But it's very simplified. There's a couple of wood cream pins, so it should go together super nice and easy. Okay, we got some engine parts here, a couple wheel backs. I'm not really sure what those are. License plate frame, and your part of your engine, butts and pulleys, alternator, fan, water pump, starter, all this good stuff. You do have your stock valve covers. You don't want the chrome ones. Your heads, intake. There's your oil pan. Okay, another wonky looking tree. Just have one wheel back on this one, and then your main bed cover, which is very cool, and it has wrinkles, which is super cool on the side. Nice texture. If you don't want that texture, you can easily just sand this out and make it look smooth and paint it like body color or something. That would look really nice. But that's cool that you get like a tunnel cover. Next tree, You have your one part radiator, filter, looks like a heater, and you do have more of those wonky pins. Must be for your suspension, for your axles and stuff. Not really sure. Then looks like a transmission brace there, and then here is your bed, actual bed. So this is pretty simplified. You just line your sides up, and then you line your front and your tailgate up. It should line up really nicely. But yeah, nice detail, nice rivet details. And bottom side is just plain, but there's a reason for that one. But very nice. Actually, you have your exhaust manifolds. You do have your little V8 engine with transmission halves. Steering wheel, so you do have a stock steering wheel and a custom one. And then your dashboard. Very nice dashboard. Has wood texture in there as well. Again, you do have gauge decals for that for the gauge cluster, which is nice. And up top is like a smooth. That's basically like a plastic up top, and the bottom here is like wood. Very nice texture. You do have your radio and stuff in there, so very cool. Okay, and the last piece in this parts bag is going to be your chassis. So this is kind of like a promo style chassis. So you do have your engine separate. Your part of your exhaust, well, most of your exhaust is molded in as well, and your drive shaft and your axle, and then there's your bottom of your bed. So some people might like this, some people might not. I know a lot of detailers do not like this, such as myself. I don't really care for this, but you know, you just have to deal with it. It is an older mold. You do have a stripped lighting down there. But yeah, it's not the best, but who cares anyway, because you don't really see the bottom side of your cars anyway until you flip it over. But when you take it to shows, just don't even put a mirror under here. Just have it, you know, face down, and just have to show the nice body and interior this kit has. But yeah, chassis, very big letdown, but you know, pretty basic, and it looks good for. It's really good for the starters. And then speaking of which, of the interior, you do have it molded or mounted in here. And then yes, you do have a Porsche or a lot molded into your interior. Your seats are molded in with your center console and also your door panels. Kind of nice detail, but it's very shallow. But it's not too big a deal because these older C10s are not, you know, fancy trucks unless you're going to go for a custom version. Then yes, this might be a pain. But other than that, it looks good. Can't really complain with an older kit like this. And then of course you do have your dashboard molded separate, so you can detail that nicely. Other than that, the interior is nice. Then of course you do have your body. You go to a C10 body. So you do have a lot of your engine bay molded in. You do have your battery molded in. Actually your radiator's molded separate. That's right. So that's nice. They mold that separate. Your firewall is molded in with some light wires and hoses in there and stuff on your fenders as well. Body, very nice. Panel lines. These are actually, wow, yeah, those are actually really deep. Yeah, panel lines are actually nice. I'll just scribe out just to make sure. Probably one or two scribes just to be 100% sure. But yeah, door handles are molded in, which is very nice. You can easily clone those out if you want to, or just shave them off and put some aftermarket ones in there. Okay, so there's the bottom of your bed or back of your cab. So your bed just kind of snaps in with these locking pins. So very nice and simplified. Headliner, very nice detail. Those ejector pins, you know, not too deep. So, and that stripped lighting, you know, you can easy paint over that. It's not too big a deal. But yeah, the body's very nice and it looks really good. Of course, you can do your two-tone paint job as you desire. You do have your decals for your indicator lights. So very cool. Nice body, and it's very, very thick. You're not bending this too much. And of course, the last thing to finish this kit off is going to be your nice tires. These are very thin white wall tires. These are actually really nice. Good old 70s air with a nice tread pattern. White black wall on our side. You don't want the white walls. They are no name branded, as I can see. So no Goodyear, no Firestone, nothing like that. They're no name, but I gotta say the white walls look really nice. The tread pattern is dead accurate. So very nice. AMT knocks out the tires. So after taking a very good look at this kit, it's a very nice kit. It's very simplified. Like I mentioned, the detailer maniacs might not like it because you don't have your chassis. Most is a promo style, so it's not really much for a detailing kit dream, but it's definitely for a beginner's kit. Because you do have, like I said, your chassis is mostly molded in, your interior is basically all molded in, just your dashboard is molded separate in the interior. Exterior is very nice, the body's molded very nicely, your bed is multiple pieces. So it is a very nice kit if you look at it from outside, but if you flip it over, you do have that promo style, which is not too big a deal, but like I said, some of you guys might not like that, such as myself, but I have a good way around that. So you have to stay tuned to the channel for that. But other than that, guys, like I said, it's a good kit. AMT, good. It's good they brought this kit out, and it is a Coca-Cola licensing, so you can put Coca-Cola all over it. You do have the vending machine for accessory, which is super cool. So you can make it as a Coca-Cola vehicle, or you don't have to. You can make it like as a stock version or just a custom, where you want to take it. But other than that, it's very cool to have the Coca-Cola decals in your parts bin for other kits you want to do. But other than that, guys, that's it for this Unboxing Monday. Hope you enjoyed, and until next one, we'll catch you guys next time.